Well, a nice early piece of Johnson Brothers Indian Tree Earthenware China. I do like these sets because they are great modern pieces for dishwashers, microwaves and ovens. They are very, very robust and beautifully decorated. It's if you're going for an Indian tree pattern to collect, then Johnson Brothers definitely worthwhile looking at because they made a lot of it over a long period of time. And this is quite early. You'll see from the marks on the base here, we've got all decoration under the glaze, permanent and acid resisting colours, a genuine hand engraved with the Johnson Brothers angular crown, making this a sort of 1950s. But Indian Tree was made periodically by Johnson Brothers right the way through to the late 80s. Nice design with a sort of almost Greek key motif around the top. They made these in all different sizes and slightly different shapes. This is the largest of the 1 pint-ish milk jugs or water jugs that we've come across. Lovely bit of decoration down the outside of the handle, and it's in very nice, bright, clean condition. As you can see, no condition warnings on this at all. The glaze is absolutely intact. A lovely piece of period Johnson Brothers. It's one of my favourites. We use it every day here on the farm because it can go through a dishwasher without coming to any harm with the modern, more delicate dishwasher tablet and liquids that you put in the machines. It keeps its glaze brightness very, very nicely, this. So a good choice for collectors or somebody considering starting a collection of Indian Tree. Nice 1 pint Johnson Brothers jug. We've got 3 or 4 of these in slightly varying shapes and sizes, down to a consequence of them being made such a long period of time by the factory. The mould shape did change slightly over the years, but all the measurements of this one to allow you to make a decision are on the website, and we'll try and pop a link below that will take you directly through to our listing for this particular 1 pint water or milk jug. Make a very nice flower vase as well.